Membranoproliferative glomerulonephritis, abbreviated MPGN, is portrayed by the professional heavy weightlifter, pro lifter wearing a man bra for membrano and riding a glomerulonephritis. Man bra pro lifter glowing mare, membranoproliferative glomerulonephritis. This is a type of mixed nephritic-nephrotic kidney disorder, the nerd cricket on the nerd frog. Nerd cricket for nephritic, nerd frog for nephrotic. And it can be broken down into two major categories. In type 1 MPGN, shown by the left side of this picmonic labeled with the 1 wand, there is evidence of subendothelial immune complexes. Subendothelial immune complexes are portrayed by the sub-sandwich inside the donut, which represents subendothelial immune complexes. In many cases, the antigens involved are thought to be derived from infectious agents, such as hepatitis C virus, portrayed by the happy, tie-wearing cat, which represents the letter C with the liver body, hepatitis C. Immunofluorescence demonstrates a granular pattern, shown by the grains growing in the field. Microscopy shows tram tracks caused by the splitting of the glomerular basement membrane, shown by the train tracks that are splitting, and the basement of the house splitting as well, which represents basement membrane. This is caused by ingrowth of mesangium, portrayed by the mesangium maze angels pulling apart the train tracks. Type 2 MPGN, shown by the right side of the picture with a 222, is also called dense deposit disease, represented by the dense bowling balls depositing underneath the tree. More than 70% of patients with type 2 MPGN have a circulating antibody called C3 nephritic factor, shown by the kidney playing the computer while sitting on a 3 tree, C3 nephritic factor.
This type 1 man bra pro lifter trains hard atop his glowing mare, and his happy tie liver cat trainer is pleased by his hard muscles, and ready to reward him with a delicious sub donut. It's chock full of important fluorescent whole grains. He comes to train at this location because after he lifts weights, he can pull the train on the tracks, kinda like Mr. Incredible. Unfortunately, that train will not be showing up today, because these maze angels pulled apart the tracks, causing the basement of the train station to split. On the type 2 side of the tracks, the kidney sits atop a 3 tree on his C3 complement computer. Today, technology is not his friend, and he responds by throwing dense bowling balls down to the ground. This nerd cricket is riding his friend nerd frog, and they're confused, thinking these coconuts are falling from a tree. But that's what the frog gets for putting his tongue in places it don't belong.